Hi there. I wanted to do a quick video about AI. Got the Movember thing going on. What is this AI stuff for business? There's a lot of hype about it. You've obviously heard about it. You can use it for blogs and newsletters and things. Maybe write some emails. That's okay, but what else, right? Turns out you need a lot of training data. So big companies are using it when they have millions of dollars. When we talk to small businesses, it's hard because you don't have tons of training data. And so what's the use case? When the iPad first came out, I'm a technology guy, right? But I was like, I don't know what this is good for. And it wasn't until you tried it that stuff became more natural. And of course, now you use it all the time. And it'd be weird to not have an iPad, right? When I talk to small business owners, there's a lot of, I'm not sure what I would use this for, right? Obviously, there's the blogs and the marketing and that kind of stuff. But I'll tell you, there's some predictions that 10 years from now, there's going to be two kinds of businesses. Ones that use and integrate AI and do this stuff, and ones that are gone because they haven't done it. The hype is that this is a fundamental change and it's coming faster than any other revolution. Compare it to the Industrial Revolution, that sort of stuff. I was watching a TED Talk that compares it to a new species. And that's kind of far-fetched, but you start to think about it. My daughter's doing grade 8 science. And, there's some criteria on what is life. And, it reproduces. It makes itself better. It makes tools. It goes out and gets nutrients, resources. It interacts with its environment. Those are things that maybe it can't do all of it today, but you can see it coming. So this is going to be a fundamental change in our lives, in our kids' lives. So, okay, yeah, we've all heard this stuff, but then how do you use it? What do you actually do? Biggest thing is just start, right? The iPad analogy is that I didn't really get it. If you sat there and said, I don't know what this is for, this is useless, right? Then you had to actually use it. And once you used it, you got it. That's how AI is. You just have to try it. Gemini's in Chrome now. Copilot is part of Edge. ChatGPT, I get the paid subscription for $20. Sign up for that. Just have it open as a browser tab and try it. Your next Excel spreadsheet, you can try Copilot license for that. Gemini for Google Workspace if you want. Summarize worksheets, make graphs for you. There's all sorts of interesting stuff that you can do. You can use ChatGPT and just upload files to it and tell it to do an analysis, right? And have it suggest things, right? Just general things. How do I make my business more profitable, right? And then, the first time you use it, you're going to need to tell it, I'm a business owner of a law firm, or I have a dental practice, or, we're a manufacturing company that sells XYZ. Give it your website, right? I used it in a demonstration to do my BNI infomercial presentation, and I spoke to it because on the app, if you download the app, you can speak to it and it knows the context. Just try it. That's my message to you. Christmas holidays are coming up. Give it a shot. Take some time. Just experiment with it. You will be blown away by what it can do. So that's my message about AI for Christmas and the holidays. And just start using it and you'll find stuff and you'll ask more questions. Just get in there. Just start. Just take some action and do that. It's so hard to think about, what are we going to do and how and what could I use it for? And I find that's the wrong approach. It doesn't work because you don't know what you don't know, right? So just start using it and it will come. So thanks. That's Leslie Babel, Digital Fire. Fire it up.